Hi everyone, this is the VEVOR windshield wiper blade. This is a universal kit that they send. It comes with 5 different adapters. One is double use. You'll have it for all universal applications. The blade itself, and this is a protector, is a very pliable rubber blade. It's a high quality rubber. And then on the back of it, you have the adapter for whichever unit you'll use to adapt to your windshield wiper arm. And it's also reinforced. I have a pair of these on one of my vehicles, and they are great blades. When they wipe, they do a complete wipe and no void spots. And with the flexible design, it definitely covers your windshield. So to attach the adapters to your specific vehicle, you just choose the adapter. You have a little front notch up here that slips into the groove, and then you have 2 little peg arms on the sides, and those just snap into the actual wiper blade mount. All right, I'll show you how easy these are. Okay, so I've got my old windshield wiper on here, and I'm going to take that off. And this is actually on a GMC van. It's my work van. So now I've got to go ahead and go through my adapters, and this is the one I'm going to use the one that's suitable for this. I'm just going to flip on my adapter, push down the keeper tab, insert the adapter to the mount, snap it down, and there you go. Brand new wiper blade, that fast, that universal, and that easy. So if you're looking for a great wiper blade, definitely give the VEVOR a try.